Am I the only one that didn't know Jaggery could be so healthy? Why aren't more people talking about this amazing sweetener? Unlike refined sugar, Jaggery retains nutrients like iron, magnesium, potassium and calcium. It's less processed, keeping all those good-for-you minerals intact. Plus, Jaggery has a lower glycemic index, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar as much. But wait, there's more. Jaggery aids digestion, detoxifies the liver, and is packed with antioxidants to boost your immune system. Need a pick-me-up? Jaggery releases energy slowly, avoiding that dreaded sugar crash.
GoLogin, the best browser for multi-accounting. Go and check link in the description.
Got PMS troubles? Its iron and magnesium can help ease those pesky symptoms. And if you have joint pain, traditional remedies use Jaggery with ginger for relief. To top it off, Jaggery promotes better skin health by cleansing the blood. So next time you're reaching for sweetener, remember, Jaggery is a natural powerhouse. Just remember, moderation is key. Switch to Jaggery and feel the difference.